Ahead of the final session of May, the STI booked a 2.9% total return for the month. The 25 Singapore stocks most net sold by retail for the month included 11 STI stocks. These 25 stocks averaged 8.5% total returns on the month, bringing their average total return in the 2025 year to May 29th to 21.9%. Non-STI stocks Shang Siam, SIAing, Fraser's Hosp Trust, Franken and UMS, which averaged 13% total returns for the month to date. The 5 non-STI stocks that saw the most net buying by retail included Riverstone, Lendlease Global Com REITs, Singpost, WeHer and Netlink NBN Trust, which averaged 8% declines for the period. Singapore Airlines was the most net sold stock by retail investors in the month to date while gaining 7%, which brought its year-to-date gain to 11%. Meanwhile, Yangzijiang Shipbuilding Holdings has been the 4th most net bought stock by retail in 2025. Conversely, this follows 2024, when the stock led the STI gainers and booked the 4th highest net retail selling. Scan or click the link in the description to learn more about these stocks or join SGX Invest on Telegram for the latest news update. Please note this is a general commentary of historical performance and not necessarily indicative of future performance. Check out our investment courses that are up to 70% subsidized at cyberquote.com/sg or contact us at support@cyberquote.com.sg.